3DEXPERIENCE platform can be connected to various CAD authoring tools. In this instance, we're using 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA, the evolution of a popular CATIA V5, has been developed with a 3DEXPERIENCE platform. This can be launched directly via the web interface by choosing the app. As we're creating a sheet metal component, we choose the dedicated sheet metal design app. Upon creation, any company-wide environments and templates will be automatically applied. Sheet metal parameters are captured, specifying the plate thickness, bend radius, and bend deduction calculation methodology. Key dimensions are captured in 2D sketch, with depth added as an extrusion. Both a handy action pad on the right and the useful contextual menus at your mouse tips can be used to add constraints and other commands simply and easily. Specific sheet metal commands can be added, from louvers and stamps to removing sharp, dangerous corners. All finer details can be captured through sketches, any construction geometry that is needed. The developed pattern can be displayed using the fold/unfold command, with direct DXF export for fabrication. Attributes can be accessed with any extra metadata added, which can all be read within the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, helping with in-depth searching and other attribute filters. Once saved to 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we can add the file to a bookmark, a convenient place to store any active documents. From here, the file can be locked to ensure single ownership when editing. Full lifecycle maturity can be accessed, progressing the component through a design process. So there we have it, basic part creation of 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA with direct links to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Any additional attributes can be added to create a rich data environment and upload the file to the platform to our desired bookmark. Once in a revision managed environment, we can lock the file to a single owner, work under change actions, and push your file through a lifecycle as the design develops.